Hello, my name is Caroline McClymont, and this is my e-portfolio. The first thing is my candidate information. A little bit about me. I've worked as a teacher this is actually my 12th year, all of which in the Shawnee Mission School District. I've been at 6th grade for 11 years. I really like it. We're a Title I school, and we have lots of reading and math help. This is actually my second master's degree. I got my first master's from Webster University, and it was just a Master of Teaching. I currently teach 6th grade. I teach math, reading, and language. I've also taught science and social studies in the past, but we now rotate. My team and I also do a lot of STEM investigations, career explorations, Genius Hour, project-based learning. So we switch a lot within our grade level to help kids learn the best. We do have one-to-one iPads within my district. All of the students have iPads, the teachers have iPads, and the teachers also have MacBooks. Then you can click on this video to learn a little bit more about me. When I first started taking classes at Fort Hays, I was really excited because they were all technology classes, and so there were a lot of interesting things and new things that I hadn't learned about and things that I could really incorporate into my teaching. So that's kind of what I was looking for when I started this master's. I plan to stay in the classroom. So I wanted ways to really incorporate that technology and that new learning into my classroom. A couple of the things that I learned during my master's program, I learned a lot about Google products. I was not really that into Google products before I started taking this master's class, but I really enjoy the Google community. I wish that my 6th graders could use it, but they're not 13, so they sadly can't utilize it. We did start utilizing it, though, within my school leadership team. We use that to post everything and communicate, and then we also sent that out to the school, and we have our whole school Google community. So I really like that. That was something really beneficial that I took away from it. I did develop a lesson plan that involved Google community, only to learn that it wouldn't work with 6th grade, but it would incorporate if I ever changed into a middle school or high school setting. Another thing that I did that I really enjoyed were these how-to videos. So it's something that my kids could use, I could put up for them, and they could get a refresher on how to use those things. And then I also did this tutorial here. It's a video tutorial that explains how to use PowerPoint to create like a morning board, a morning welcome tutorial, or a morning welcome PowerPoint for your class. And then you can also use that to create different worksheets, different kinds of formats for students. And then I also used this cartoon activity to create field trip instructions. We go on a scavenger hunt around Kansas City, and then in the end, the kids have to make a commercial. So I incorporated my use of technology into making those things as examples for the kids. And then there's a class introduction, and then a backwards design unit in my extra resources. My professional development plan, it is for the students. It involves the kids and their use of technology throughout a school year. So I mapped it out every month. They're going to do a different project to really get themselves involved and immersed in that technology while still doing something that matches our priority standards for 6th grade. So that is kind of a quick overview of my website. If you would like to see more, you can click on these drop-down boxes and learn a little bit more about my master's program. I really learned a lot technology-wise from Fort Hays, and there were a lot of things that I could really take away in regards to technology and use in my classroom.